The quality of the candidates here in the career fair is very high. You can find people from with different functional backgrounds. You can also find people, senior profiles, experienced professionals, but also there is a source of people with less experience but great potentiality. It's not the first time that we participate in this event. It has been very useful for us. International MBA has been a very useful business partner, as we have throughout the years employed people either within the internship programs or at the moment that they are currently working as a full-time employees in our company, and we are very happy with that. The event has been very well organized, which is representative to the quality of the university and the quality of the candidates that participate in this event. Thank you very much.